Hey there, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that's transforming the way truckers manage their businesses. The Truckerbot app. If you're in the trucking industry, you know how challenging it can be to juggle all the tasks that come with it. That's where Truckerbot steps in as your reliable AI assistant. Imagine having a back office and a bookkeeper right in your pocket. Truckerbot simplifies your workload by automating tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on what you do best, driving and delivering. With its user-friendly interface, you don't need to be a tech whiz to navigate through the app. It's designed for everyone, making it easy to track expenses, manage invoices, and even schedule your routes. With Truckerbot, every document, every cost, and every detail is meticulously organized and readily accessible whenever you need it. Need to track your fuel expenses? Then check. Want to keep tabs on your mileage? Absolutely. From invoices and receipts to maintenance records, Truckerbot has got it all covered. It's like having a trusted co-pilot who is always there to support you, allowing you to take control of your business without stress or hassle. So, gear up and get ready to revolutionize your trucking experience. Your personal assistant is just a tap away. If you're ready to take your trucking game to the next level, give Truckerbot a try. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to follow us for more insights and tips. Safe travels out there.